Really quick, I just want to tell you one thing. There always should be a deeper meaning or a deeper purpose for why you do what you do. In my instance, for example, working out and training, looking good is not the whole purpose. It's not the whole point. I don't care about looking good. It's a plus, but that's not the reason why I do what I do. To dig a whole lot deeper, the reason why I train, I'm trying to build up my body physically. I'm trying to build up my mind mentally. I'm trying to build up my soul spiritually. So when the weight of the world is on my shoulders one day, I'll be able to carry it, and I'll be able to carry it like a G. And I mean that physically. I mean that metaphorically. I mean that figuratively. However you want to think about it, I mean it that way. That's the reason why I train. That's the reason why I do what I do. There's always going to be, roadblocks and barriers and, failures that come your way. And if it's just your external pushing you, then you aren't going to be able to push through that barrier. So you have to have something deeper that's going to allow you to push through those barriers when they come. All right, let's go.